A lot of people think AI is only useful if you pay for expensive tools. But here is the truth most people do not realize yet. Some of the most powerful AI tools right now are completely free. And they are already helping people work faster, think better, and stay ahead. So in this video I'm going to show you the best free AI tools you can use right now, what they actually do and how you can use them in real life, even if you are brand new to AI. No tech skills needed. No paid subscriptions required. So the big question is, why does free AI tools matter? We are at a point where AI is not optional anymore. It is becoming a basic skill. But the good news is, you do not need to master everything at once. Free AI tools can already help you save time, reduce mental overload, get better results with less effort. The key is knowing which tools are worth your attention and which ones are just hype. Let us start with the first one. Perplexity AI. Perplexity AI is one of the most underrated free AI tools right now. Think of it as a smarter version of Google. Instead of giving you a long list of links, it gives you clear answers, short explanations, and actual sources you can check. This makes it perfect for research, learning new topics, fact-checking, getting quick clarity. If you have ever searched something online and felt overwhelmed by information, Perplexity cuts straight to the point. Next up is ChatGPT's free version. This is one of the most flexible AI tools you can use. You can ask it to help you write emails or messages, brainstorm ideas, explain difficult topics in simple language, plan tasks or workflows. The best way to think about ChatGPT is this: it is not here to replace your thinking, it is here to speed it up. You give it direction, and it helps you move forward faster. For most people, the free version is more than enough to start. The third tool is Canva AI. Now let us talk about Canva AI. If design has ever slowed you down, this tool is a game changer with Canva's AI features. You can create thumbnails, social media posts, presentations, and short videos, all by typing simple prompts. You don't need design experience. You don't need expensive software. This is especially powerful for content creators, entrepreneurs, anyone building an online presence. Canva AI helps turn ideas into visuals fast. The fourth tool is Notion AI. Another great free tool is Notion AI. It has free features. This one is all about organization and clarity. Notion AI can help you summarize notes, organize tasks, turn messy ideas into clear plans. If you feel overwhelmed by information or ideas, this tool helps you think more clearly and stay organized. It is like having a digital workspace. That actually makes sense. So the question is, how to use these tools together? Here is the smart part: you do not use these tools separately. You combine them. For example, use Perplexity to research, use ChatGPT to refine ideas and write, use Canva AI to create visuals, use Notion AI to organize everything. This simple system can replace hours of manual work. And the best part, every tool I mentioned has a free option. AI does not replace people, it replaces slow, outdated ways of working. If you want more beginner-friendly AI tools, productivity tips, and simple ways to work smarter, subscribe to Empowerment TV in the next video. I will help you decide which AI tool you should start with first, so you do not feel overwhelmed.